In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear tail lamp bulb socket on this 2009 Dodge Dakota. This will be located behind your tail lamp assembly. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is lower the tailgate. Once you've done that, you're going to be looking for two T25 Torx screws. Let's remove the pair. Now we can grab onto that tail lamp assembly and we're going to pull it straight back. It has two locking tabs along the outer portion, holding it to the bed of the vehicle. Grab this one right here, give it a little twist counterclockwise to remove it. At this point, we can grab right onto that bulb. We'll give this a little wiggle and remove it. Now, once you have your bulb out of there, you want to make sure you give it a quick inspection. Make sure it doesn't look like it's burnt or damaged in any way. Make sure it's still reusable and set that aside. Let's continue on to removing the bulb socket from the wiring harness. You'll find on each side of this harness, it has a squeeze tab. Go ahead and press each of those in and gently pull it off. To make our way in here, you can easily use a small pocket screwdriver. Gently press on that locking tab and start pulling it up a little bit to dislodge it. Continue on and do the same thing on the other side. There it is, friends. Let's give the wiring harness a quick check for corrosion. Assuming that looks good, we'll continue on with the installation of our brand new bulb socket. You'll notice, looking at the wiring harness, you have a notch cut out of this area. Inside of the bulb socket, you're going to find that you have a little tab that protrudes out, which would fit into that area. That's how you know how to align it. Let's take this and slide it into position, locking it in on each side. Give that a tug to make sure it's completely secure. All right, let's get ready to install the bulb into the bulb socket. Take this and push it into place, being careful not to break the glass in any way. Give that a tug to make sure it's secure. Now we can put this into the back of the assembly, making sure that we align each of our three tabs with the corresponding holes on the back side of the assembly. Give that a twist to lock it in and make sure it's secure. Now we can start sliding this into the body of the vehicle. You're going to find that you have two alignment tabs. Each of those need to line up with their corresponding holes. We'll take this and press it into place. With that in place, continue on to your two mounting screws. We'll start each of these in before we snug either of them. Make sure it's nice and secure. All right, now that it's assembled, let's test its functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.